Hi everybody, Ultrasound419 here, and so I have not uploaded in a long time. Yeah, a long time no see. And I think it's been a month. And so before we get started with this video, there's also a few things I want to show you. Yesterday was my birthday. One of the things that I got for my birthday, and this is a little bub here. My brother got me this. You remember him. First 4 seasons with the 9th and the 10th Doctor. Yeah. And I also got a record for my birthday, the video game Dragon Ball Z Kakarot, some kind of alarm clock my dad got me. And yeah. So today I went to our local Dietz Music, and we got. You're not really in the screen. I went to the local guitar store today, Dietz Music. It's not exactly a guitar store. I got the new Voodoo Child guitar cable, which is supposed to give you the same sound that Jimi Hendrix had. I'm gonna try it on. Before I try it on my orange amp, I'm going to try it with this one. It's the first amp I ever got. It's much smaller compared to the orange amp. And since Jimi Hendrix is famous for playing a Fender Strat,
yeah,
left-handed, just so you know.
It was even this one.
No, he never played it. He never played an SG.
It was even. Well, Christian has this one. I don't know why, but...
You don't know why? I bought it. I wanted it.
Duh. What does it matter, Christian?
It matters because I bought it with my own money.
Do you really think I care?
Oh. Ooh. Hmm.
And yes, I do care. Hey, you have it.
So yeah, before we turn on the
Hey, you have the blue one.
Yes, please leave that alone now.
That one. Great.
Don't mind that. That's our macaw.
Cool.
We're gonna try with the normal chord for a sound comparison. Oh, hang on. The screw here in input things sometimes gets loose.
Yep, they do. I know why.
Hey, screw loose.
Shut up.
No. It's screw loose.
That's what I just said. Screw loose.
It's a pun.
What's a pun?
A pun? It's a play on words. You'll understand it when you're much older. Don't do that. Alright, now we're turning this on. Alright. Sweet. Now this one. Yeah, just some random finger picking. Now let's try it with heavy distortion. Okay, that didn't sound right.
Okay. That is so too loud, Chris.
Not yet.
Yes, I want to do it.
No.
Just let me do it.
No, not yet.
Yes.
Well, first, are you left-handed?
No. Hey, I'll gain the blue one.
Yeah, use the blue one. The white ones are new. I also got new picks. Hang on. Apparently, John Petrucci of Dream Theater made his own line of picks. It says,
he did.
I don't know what's so special about these ones. In fact, let's find out. Okay, I want you to put away my SG for now. We're not going to get to it just yet.
Yes, I want to. Come on. Christian, just let me have it.
On my channel, please. I prefer it if you refer to me as Ultra Saiyan 419. Or just call me Ultra. For short. Alright, now let's see what let's see what John Petrucci has in store for us today. He's a guitar wizard, a better one than I am. I'm not even a wizard at all.
No, you are not.
I may have magic hands, but they're not. But the guitar is something else.
Baby, you. Christian, for that.
This feels very different.
Let me feel it.
Let me try shredding. I don't think this guitar is meant for shredding. Oh well. Okay, I kind of suck. Alright, so let's see if we can make it a deeper sound.
Turn that one off. Hold on. Christian, who's this?
I don't know.
No, who does that one?
Alright, hold on a sec. Alright, sorry, back to it. I had to take care of something. Now.
Give me this.
Did you turn it down?
No. You did that.
Oh, here we go. Let's turn that down a bit. Okay. Alright. Now, we're going to put on the Voodoo Child cable.
See how that one worked.
Let's see what it sounds like.
Yeah. It's gonna be cool.
Oh, I don't know.
I think.
Now, sadly, I do not know any Jimi Hendrix songs, so unfortunately, you won't be hearing any today.
Here, I'll be in the background.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
Ooh.
Try to meet after you. Yeah, this one.
Why are you changing the sound?
Because I want to.
Oh, so that's how you're supposed to shred.
Who's that?
don't know. You?
No, who wrote that song?
You?
No, I didn't. Oh, fine, I did.
Yeah, I'm sorry I sound terrible right now. I'm just making up random stuff. Let's try some famous tunes real quick. Legendary. Terrible. Let's try "Smells Like Teen Spirit." Damn it! I got that wrong. Pardon my language.
I won this one. Why?
It's not exactly great. It's not that great. So, I'm not hearing much of a difference here. I don't know what the point of that was. That's an acoustic. Let's try, ooh! How about Number of the Beast? Alright, that sounds good. Let's try the SG next.
What's that?
Hold on a sec, I gotta retune it. Someone here messed it up. Alright. Hey, come on.
Yet.
We're not done yet. Hang on. Okay, so I just forgot. Judah here is gonna try out the guitar with the Hendrix cable. Alright.
Do you have this one?
Apparently he's left-handed, just like Jimi Hendrix here.
Okay. And
Wait, he's dead now. What I made it sound like he's still here.
Hold on. Okay, I need this.
Mamma mia!
I learned to do that.
Alright, can you try doing chords?
Chords? Sure, I'll do that.
Wow, you're too big for this. I have never played... Oh,
Ow.
sorry. I've never played left-handed before.
Oh, you need this.
Yes, I do.
Oh. Wait, you gave a man the black one?
How did Jimi Hendrix do this?
Here, we'll try a different one. Try a different
one. Okay.
Here, you gave up on this one? That's good.
Okay, no. Left-handed is not for me. Alright, now next, the SG.
Are you like stupid?
Hey, come on now. Where's that Petrucci pick? Do you have it? Yes, you do. All right, now let's hear it. Whoa. That's actually pretty good.
What?
Oh, wow. With the SG, it's more effective. Thanks for changing the preset, I think.
You already dead.
Okay. Let's try a Metallica song real quick. Let me think. Let's try it. Okay, I'm not exactly that fast. Let's try a Pearl Jam song real quick.
Let's try it. Just want to try it. Let me try it.
Alright. Left-handed, right?
Yeah.
That's actually a pretty good sound.
What? Okay. Give me the one you're using.
Hang on, let's put up the strap for you.
Okay.
You are so tiny.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, this is too heavy.
Well, you said you're left-handed, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Stop clicking there. Okay.
Hold on, I want to do something.
All right.
No, not that.
A palm mute.
What the fuck was that?
You did what's called a palm mute. Usually done in some rhythm riffs.
Okay, give me the black one.
The black pick?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. What the heck?
You got a long way to go.
Okay.
Only a few more seconds, okay? Okay. All right.
Hey, let me do
You
something.
want to try it with the wah pedal?
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah. Hold on a sec. Alright. Now, let's try the wah pedal. Oh, that's a neat one. I just came up with a new riff. Alright, now wah time. That's a Nintendo. That was pretty cool.
Okay.
Alright.
I'm done. I'm gonna go do my thing now.
Alright. You sure you don't want to find out with the SG? Hey, wait. Come and find out with the SG. Now that was a neat sound. Let's try with the SG. Here, put this on that stand there.
Okay.
On the stand.
Which stand?
It's right there. Yeah.
But that goes with that one. Okay, bye.
Wait. Come on and watch. Alright. Hey, come on. Watch. Oh, too rough. Random noises. Okay. Okay. Now we're trying it with the Boss Metal Zone. So. That's just the clean. Now let's try the heavy. Yeah, I'm a little out of practice. That's okay though. Ooh, I got a good idea. Since I'm playing a Strat and Richie Blackmore is known for playing one. Oh, I messed it up. Let me try it again. I'm not gonna lie. This makes the Boss Metal Zone sound a little cooler. Alright, now let's try Smoke on the Water. Alright. Now, we're going to try the SG with the Voodoo Child and the Boss Metal Zone pedal. Yeah, you know. Alright, clean vocals. Okay, that doesn't sound clean, but you know what? It's pretty cool. Metal. Woo. Okay, now smoke on the water. Cool. With the Boss Metal Zone, the Voodoo Child sounds way cool. Alright, 1 second. Alright. Now I got both the Boss Metal Zone and the wah pedal plugged in. Now let's see. I never tried this before, so this could be something new for me. Well, actually, it is something new for me. So, let's try it. Metal. Whoa. Wow. Okay. And lastly, the SG. All right. Okay. Okay. Okay, that was something else. So, from what I've seen, it seems to have a better effect on the Strat, mainly in distortion and clean. Other than that, the Voodoo Child was something else. I didn't hear much of a difference, but it sure. Well, actually, I kind of did. There was a bit of a good sound. Anywho. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed our guest here. That was my little foster bro, Judah. And, So, yeah. Thank you for watching this video. Next time, we're going to be trying on the orange amp to see if there's any difference in then. It's a bigger amp, and it'll probably have better sound. In fact, that's why I got it in the first place. So, like and comment, tell me what you thought of the video, and what other things I could do. Of course, one of them could be practice guitar more, which I do plan on doing. And as always, this is UltraSam409 saying rock on, God bless, and I'll see you next time.